Welcome to yet another ham radio video. This is JKQ4DUX. A little quick gear review. Ham radio related, I guess, because that's what I'm using for. But this is a short review of the Geertop car top shade tent or awning. So we'll get it set up here. I won't film the whole thing, but first thing I do like about it, the bag that it comes in is very large. And one of the things that tends to be annoying is when they package things that are meant to be packed up and unpacked many times, and it just barely fits in, and you have to have everything a certain way and only really fits one way. Very nice to have this. A smaller bag for your tent pegs and all your lines and whatnot. And then these are the poles. It does come with poles. I'll see if you can take a look at this. This is the instructions. They're sewn right into it. Very basic, but definitely will get the job done. So I'll just get it set up and then we'll take a look. And we've got it set up here. And please note, there's many ways you can configure this. There are a lot of places to put these holes. All of these grommets and straps. There's a lot of tie down points, and you can place these poles wherever you want, whatever works for the situation. This is just how I'm happening to do it today. Most of what I've seen, it's going on the back of something like an SUV or a hatchback type vehicle and going to the back, so it would be narrower where it attaches, and it gets wider as it goes out, so it's not square. But this works out very well because you can angle these down to try to get more shade or more shelter, whether you're just looking for shade from the sun like I am today. And it could rain later on. I don't think I'll be out here really long, but let's take a look at the other side. You can maybe see here. I'm watching where I'm stepping here, but there's one buckle and strap. There's two more in the middle, and the fourth one is at the other corner. And usually what you would do is place the two middle ones over the roof of your vehicle if you have like a ski rack or something, crossbar going across the roof, and then the longer straps would attach down many times to the wheels. You can do it that way, or whatever works. You can run a line down and to a tent peg or something. I just got it hooked in the door. I could make it go to the wheels, but that would require putting a lot of it over the top of the van. And, you know, likewise, I could pull it a lot farther out this way so that I would have even more shade from the side of the vehicle. All right, well, we got a little wind coming up here. I would call it severe wind, but just a little breeze. And it seems to be holding up okay. Well, this was a great Father's Day gift. Big thank you to my family who bought this for me. Well, that's my 2 cents on the Geertop Albatross shade awning. I'm pretty happy with it. Seems like for the price, it is good quality for what I would expect. We'll have to see how it holds up with the corners and the line. The line's easily replaceable if anything happens to that, but I'm happy with the overall size, the layout, the quality of the fabric, the way they did their stitching and everything else. So hopefully I'll be using this for years to come. Thanks for watching. This is JKQ4DUX. You watched yet another ham radio video. Take care and 7-3.